Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how we can claim depreciation expenses and mileage expenses incurred in our businesses through H&R Block while filing our tax return. To continue, please enter your username and password to access your H&R Block account. Click on Sign In to continue. Once done, the page will land you to an H&R Block dashboard where we need to enter certain details. Let's suppose click on Federal and click on Go to Beginning of My Return to continue. Click on Next. Click on Income. Click on Yes. Here you need to enter some of the details like all of your income, from where did you get, like interest and dividend, employment income, investment income, retirement income, businesses and partnerships, rental income, and so on. Since depreciation is an expense incurred in our businesses, we need to enter details over businesses and partnership here. Click on the topic that suits you most. Let's say you have self-employment or business income or K1 partnership or corporation income. Let's say you are a self-employed person. Click on visit topic and beside self-employment. Once clicked, if you have freelancing or contracting income, select the first. If you have income from a small business, select the second and click on next. Enter your business details like business description, business code. If you don't know your business code for your businesses, look up your business code here. Let's say we are a small consulting business which provides financial and tax services to the clients. So this will fall under legal and accounting under the broad head of professional, scientific and technical services. Click here. Select the appropriate options here. Let's say we are a tax preparation services. Click select here. And enter your description as tax preparation services. Click on Next. If you wish to enter your details like your business name, your business address, do so. If you don't, click on My Business has your name and you use your home address depending upon your situation. Click on Next to continue. Does your business have employees? Click on Yes or No depending upon your situation. Let's suppose we don't have any employees yet. Since we don't have any employees, we are not required to have employee identification number. We can leave this section blank and click on Continue to Next. If any of these situations falls or suits you, select the relevant options. If it doesn't, click on Next without selecting any. Select the method of accounting like cash accounting method or accrual. Since most of the small businesses use cash accounting system, select the cash as the appropriate option and click on Next. Are you exempt from self-employment tax? Click on No because generally in most of the situation we are not exempted from this type of tax. Click on No and click Next. Click on Yes since you materially participate in this business. If it is not so, click on No and continue. Select the type of income you get from your businesses, like miscellaneous income, income from debit cards transactions, income from products or services sold, other sources, returns and allowances. Since we are a tax return preparatory services, they are selling a service, so we are selecting the third option that suits us. Select yours that suits yours. Click on Next to continue. Enter your receipts and sales or exactly your turnover for your businesses. Let's say it be around $20,000 and click on Next to continue. Click on Next, or if you wish to enter any other detail like other business income, returns, etc., enter so and click on Next to finalize. Since we are done with the income, now is the time we enter your expenses so that we can minimize our tax liability and our profit. Let's say what business expense we can have. General business expenses, home office if we are using home address or home property as an office. Since we have selected that, click on yes. Car or truck that you use for your business or your daily purposes for the purpose of business. Click yes. Depreciable property, self-employed premiums or other retirement contribution for you or your employees. Since we are not doing this, I'm not selecting this. If it suits your purposes, select the relevant option and click on Next. Once done, here are the list of the expenses that we incur for day-to-day activity. Let's suppose we have commission and fees, advertising, and other services like other expenses for as an office expense and other business expense also, traveling expense, and so on. Click on Next to continue. Enter the each amount for your each expenses selected in the last page. Let's say this be $200. Click on Next. Commission be $100. Click on Next. Office expenses be $600 or rather $6,000. Click on Next. Any other business expenses, enter such description, enter the amount and click on Continue. Had there been any overnight trail expenses, enter the year and click on Continue. You are done with entering your general business expenses that are incurred from day to day. Click on Next to enter the next screen. Since I have selected the home office or home property as my office address, we need to enter a few of the detail and that can benefit our tax liability. Click on Add Office if you have so. If you don't enter here as your homeowner or renter, you can deduct expenses for a home office. Click on Next or click on Add Office and enter the detail here. Click on Next. Here are the relevant questions asked for the deductions, like did you use this home office on a regular, continual basis for the business purpose? Click on Yes. If you don't use this on a regular basis, click on No. Assuming, since most of the cases we do, we have selected Yes. Did you use your home office exclusively for the business? If you have a separate premises under the same address, click on Yes. If you don't, click on No. Assuming we have, click on Yes and click on Continue or Next. Congratulations, your home office qualifies for a deduction. Now we will help you to claim your deduction. Next. I want to claim a simplified deduction which is easy to take, and if you maintain your actual expenses bill by bill, Then here enter this option, select the option here and click on next. Assuming we want to take the simplified deduction, click on next. Enter few of more details like office area, total square feet of your home, your office area, and click on next.